All right, so I've created a responsive design project here. I've done nothing to it so far. If I go into the project drop-down menu and select Skin Editor, and as long as I select Playback Colors, I should have no trouble selecting the colors that I wish to use for my Playbar, whatever they might be. And of course, I can certainly select different play bars. The mobile is one of my favorites because if you're thinking about fingers on a tablet or a larger smartphone, I think it's going to work a lot better. And if I close this out and preview, I like to use the live preview and then simply follow the link here so that I can see it in browser. You can see clearly I have the colors and it still works fine within responsive design. So I'm not sure what the issue is exactly, but it should work.